Proper food storage is one of the most overlooked parts of keeping a healthy, efficient kitchen. And when we talk about storage, one of the most important factors is whether your containers are airtight. Airtight food storage might seem like a small detail, but it plays a huge role in preserving freshness, preventing waste, and protecting your health. Let's start with freshness. When food is exposed to air, it starts to degrade. Oxygen is a major contributor to food spoilage. It causes oxidation, which breaks down nutrients, changes flavors, and ruins texture. You've probably noticed how chips go stale or cereal becomes soft when left open. That's the air at work. An airtight seal locks out oxygen, keeping dry goods crunchy, flavorful, and shelf-stable for much longer. Moisture is another enemy. Especially in humid environments, moisture can sneak into your food containers and cause clumping, mold, or bacterial growth. Think of brown sugar turning rock hard or flour forming clumps. Airtight containers help regulate the environment inside, keeping moisture out and maintaining the ideal conditions for storage. Airtight containers also act as a powerful barrier against pests. Tiny insects like pantry moths or weevils can easily find their way into loosely closed bags or cardboard boxes. Once they do, they can contaminate your entire pantry. A sealed container is the best defense against unwanted guests. Now let's talk about leftovers and meal prep. Storing cooked food in airtight containers isn't just about preserving flavor, it's also about food safety. Airtight containers slow down bacterial growth, reduce odor transfer in your fridge, and help prevent cross-contamination with other items. They're a must if you want your meals to taste just as good tomorrow as they did today. Another major benefit of airtight storage is reducing food waste. When food stays fresh longer, you're less likely to throw it away. That means you save money, reduce trips to the grocery store, and help the environment by cutting down on unnecessary waste. It's a simple habit with big impact. And finally, airtight storage helps with organization. Stackable containers with clear lids make it easy to see what you have, portion ingredients, and store items neatly, whether it's in your pantry, refrigerator, or freezer. In short, airtight food storage protects your food, extends shelf life, saves money, and supports a cleaner, more efficient kitchen. It's one of the easiest ways to upgrade your food habits, and once you start using it, you'll never want to go back.